Are you new to the world of day trading and searching for the best online platforms to start your journey? Day trading is a fast-paced and dynamic facet of the financial world, where buying and selling financial instruments like stocks and futures happens within a single trading day. It's an exciting arena, but it's also one that requires careful planning, quick decision-making, and the right tools to succeed. One of these essential tools is an online trading platform. This is a software application that allows traders to place trades, monitor market trends, and manage their investment portfolios. These platforms are the nerve centers of day trading, providing real-time market data, advanced charting capabilities, and a host of other features that enable traders to make informed decisions swiftly. The choice of an online trading platform is critical because it can significantly influence the trading experience and the potential for profits. The best platforms offer a combination of robust features, user-friendly interfaces, competitive pricing, and reliable customer support. They cater to different trading styles and levels of expertise, from the novice trader just starting their journey to the seasoned veteran seeking advanced analytical tools. The platforms we'll be discussing today have been compiled by NerdWallet, a reputable and independent publisher renowned for its objective and comprehensive financial reviews. They provide a wealth of information from the pricing and features of each platform to their pros and cons, helping you make an informed choice. Just remember, while these platforms can offer valuable tools and resources, success in day trading ultimately depends on your strategies, discipline, and perseverance. In the next few minutes, we will delve into each of these platforms and discuss their pros and cons. So buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of day trading platforms. Let's dive right in with our first two platforms, Charles Schwab and Fidelity Investments. Both of these platforms hold their own in the investment world, each with unique offerings and benefits to consider. Starting with Charles Schwab, this platform stands out with its selection of research resources and user-friendly interface. It's a great platform for those looking to delve into the details of their investments. Schwab also offers a variety of account types, making it flexible for investors of all kinds. However, the platform isn't without its drawbacks. While it offers commission-free trades on most investments, the options contracts do come with a cost. Furthermore, while its educational resources are extensive, beginners may find them a bit overwhelming. Turning our attention to Fidelity Investments, this platform shines in its customer service and investment options. Fidelity is known for its top-notch customer support, providing assistance when you need it most. It also offers a wide array of investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. Unlike Charles Schwab, Fidelity's educational resources are well-organized and beginner-friendly. On the downside, while Fidelity does offer commission-free trades, it lacks a robust trading platform for active traders. As for promotions, both platforms have periodic offers for new account holders. Charles Schwab often provides cash bonuses based on the size of your initial deposit, while Fidelity tends to offer free trades or even free shares of stock. It's always a good idea to check their respective websites for current promotions. In terms of pricing, both platforms offer competitive rates. Charles Schwab and Fidelity both provide commission-free online stock, ETF, and options trades. However, options trades at Schwab carry a 65-cent per contract fee. These are two heavyweights in the industry, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're attracted to Charles Schwab's in-depth research resources or Fidelity's beginner-friendly approach in customer service, it's evident that both platforms have a lot to offer. Continuing with our list, we have Merrill Edge and Interactive Brokers. Let's start with Merrill Edge. This platform is a product of Bank of America, and it's a great choice, especially if you are already a Bank of America customer. Merrill Edge offers seamless integration with Bank of America accounts, making it easier to move money between accounts. The platform is user-friendly and provides a range of educational resources, perfect for those who are just starting their journey in the world of investing. However, it's worth noting that their platform might not be the best choice for more advanced traders looking for complex trading tools and analytics. Now, moving on to Interactive Brokers. This platform is known for its extensive range of investment options and advanced trading tools. If you're an experienced trader or if you're looking to get into more complex investments, Interactive Brokers might be the platform for you. It offers access to a wide range of global markets and also provides powerful research tools to help you make informed decisions. However, it might not be the most beginner-friendly platform out there. Its extensive features can be overwhelming, and the pricing structure can be complicated for beginners. As for pricing, Merrill Edge offers free stock and ETF trades, while Interactive Brokers has a tiered pricing structure that rewards high-volume traders with lower costs. Both platforms occasionally offer promotions, so keep an eye out for those to get the best deal. In terms of unique features, Merrill Edge offers a feature called Merrill Edge Market Pro, which provides real-time market analysis and interactive charting. Interactive Brokers, on the other hand, has a feature called Interactive Brokers Pro that offers advanced charting, analytics, and other pro-level features. Both these platforms cater to different types of investors, so choose one that fits your trading style. Next up, we have SoFi Active Investing and E*Trade. SoFi Active Investing is a platform that's designed for the go-getters. It's an ideal place for those who like to take control of their financial future. The platform is user-friendly, with a clean, intuitive design that makes it easy for beginners to navigate. It's not just about investing here. SoFi takes a holistic approach to finance, offering a range of services from personal loans to insurance. The real selling point? Commission-free trades. Yes, you heard it right. SoFi Active Investing allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies without any commission fees. However, it's worth noting that while fee-free trading is a big plus, SoFi's investment options are somewhat limited compared to larger, more established platforms. On the other side of the coin, we have E*Trade is known for its wide range of investment options. From stocks and bonds to futures and forex, the world is your oyster here. It's a platform that caters to both the novice and the seasoned investor, with a wealth of educational resources and advanced trading tools. A standout feature is E*Trade Web and Power E*Trade. These platforms allow traders to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options free of charge. But keep in mind, while E*Trade does offer a lot, it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, and its higher than average options contract fees might give some investors pause. Both SoFi Active Investing and E*Trade have unique offerings. SoFi's no commission trades and holistic approach to finance might appeal to those who are new to investing and want to keep things simple. E*Trade, with its wide range of investment options and advanced trading platforms, might be better suited to more experienced investors or those who want to dive deeper into the world of investing. In the end, it's all about finding the platform that aligns with your investment goals and comfort level. Remember, investing is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. It's a personal journey, and the right platform can make all the difference. These platforms are great for those who prefer a more active role in their investments. Finally, let's look at TradeStation, ZacksTrade, Firstrade, and Ally Invest. These platforms offer a variety of tools and resources that cater to different types of investors. TradeStation, known for its robust and sophisticated trading platform, caters to seasoned traders who want access to a wide range of investment products. It offers advanced charting, strategy backtesting, and real-time market data. However, the platform's complexity might be a bit overwhelming for beginners. As for pricing, TradeStation offers competitive commission-free trades, but it charges for premium tools and data. Next up, ZacksTrade. This platform distinguishes itself with a customizable interface and professional-grade trading tools. It's designed for active and experienced traders, offering a broad selection of global exchanges. However, its trading platform might be challenging to navigate for newbies. Pricing-wise, ZacksTrade operates on a per-share commission system, which might be cost-effective for those making large trades. Firstrade stands out for its commission-free trades and comprehensive research tools, making it a good option for cost-conscious investors. It's user-friendly and offers a range of educational resources, which can be beneficial for beginners. However, it lacks advanced trading features that seasoned traders might be looking for. Lastly, Ally Invest. It's known for its easy-to-use platform and competitive pricing. It provides a broad range of investment options, including managed portfolios for those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. On the downside, it doesn't offer futures trading, which might be a deal-breaker for some investors. Each of these platforms often run promotions, so it's worth keeping an eye out for those when you're deciding where to open an account. There you have it, a comprehensive look at some of the best online platforms for day trading. Remember, the best platform for you depends on your unique needs and trading style. Last but not least, we have Webull. This platform is known for its user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools, making it a great fit for both beginners and experienced traders. It offers commission-free trades, which is a huge plus for cost-conscious investors. What sets Webull apart is its real-time market data and analytics, which can be a game changer for those who like to stay on top of their investments. Moreover, Webull offers a range of educational resources, making it a good choice for those who are new to investing and want to learn the ropes. Its advanced features such as extended trading hours, short selling, and various order types appeal to a wide range of investors, making it a versatile platform regardless of your trading style. In terms of pricing, Webull is competitive as it offers commission-free trades. However, it does charge for premium tools and data. But don't let that deter you, as these features can significantly enhance your trading experience. To sum up, Webull is a great choice for those who want a balance of user-friendliness and advanced features. It's a platform that grows with you as you gain more trading experience, making it a worthy contender in the world of online trading platforms.